The secret is to get that Artex damp. Got to get through the layers of paint, get the Artex damp, softens it up, and it's really easy to peel away. And with it being damp, it keeps all the dust down, because you don't want the dust in case there is any asbestos in it. You can just use water. Trouble is, it doesn't stay there for very long. Runs off and evaporates really quickly, so you have to keep going over it and over it and over it. Here's an easier way. First thing that helps is some thick water. All that is dirt cheap wallpaper paste. Pound a bag does 6 or 7 pints. And we slap that on the wall. And on top of that, some newspaper. Quickly soaking some of that up. And that newspaper serves 2 purposes, or even 3. Keeps that wet against the wall, and we can put another layer of the paste on top of that. If you've got really thick Artex, you can put another layer of newspaper on top of that, and then another layer of the paste. Then, to keep that as moist as possible for as long as possible, put some polythene over the top. These are just cut up bin bags, the cheapest kind you can get. And you can do a whole wall like we've got down there, and then leave it. Just leave it overnight, probably the best. Might get it done a bit quicker, but just leave it for hours. Let it do its work, soak in, soften up that Artex. Then we can see how well it works. Take the polythene off. I've got some cling film on the bottom of that. So that's still damp. Let's see how well it's done. We've got to get a dig through, and there we go. And the other purpose of the paper is all that Artex sticks to it. And there we go. Nice and easy, no dust, and the wall's still good behind it. So how cheap and easy is that? Homebrew stuff, saving a fortune.